Everyone's queuing for the big places, the big chains, and they're all going to be fine. But us little people, we're going to struggle because this has been a really tough 3-4 months.
Please support your high streets. Every pound you spend in the town keeps our town thriving.
We're certainly not out of the woods, so we would urge people to shop local if possible.
I think the high street, the local markets should definitely make a comeback.
We've been delighted with the way we've been supported by everyone in town, and we're thrilled to have reopened after COVID, and we've got to thank everyone for the support that we had during it.
I think it's important that we should all work together in the high street and help one another.
We're hoping that the locals and the visitors do come into the shop, because the difference between shopping online and coming into the shop is you can actually see and feel and touch.
Definitely come to Ironbridge. I mean, it's a lovely place. There's so many little shops like just behind us, and it's beautiful.
Give us a go, see that we're doing it safely, and just come and put your money where you want your town to thrive.
Feels like Christmas again. Everyone's coming shopping and supporting local businesses, so it's nice to see in the area of Madeley, keeping the community strong. So
there's a lot of new businesses coming into the town, which is great to see.
Keep coming, keep using Newport.
Do as much as you can to support local.
Please come down. That's what we want. Come and get your fudge.
If we don't use it, we lose it.
Please come in and support us.
If we work together, I think we'll definitely get there.